Sawadee. My name is Nemir Anjina. I'm Director of Sawadee International School of Traditional Thai Massage. This is the first of a series of videos called The Other Thai Massage, which relates some of the concepts and practices of the Lanna tradition, Northern Thai tradition of traditional Thai massage and medicine, which is a continuous living tradition and brings certain concepts very different to what most people are aware of. Anybody who studied Thai massage has come across the concept of SEN, or energy paths, or wind channels, through which life flows. And it is that concept which I wish to be talking about in this video. The Lanna tradition of medicine is an ancient, continuous tradition, the oldest and most continuous tradition of medicine in Thailand, passed down from teacher to disciple, with ancient texts, oral tradition, and a continuous process of verification and search for the truth. The ancient texts talk about the SEN. There are basically two main types. One is a non-physical and physical. The non-physical are listed as 10, and they are a psychic energy, and they are accessed, and one can work with them through meditation, breathing and visualization. Whereas the physical SEN can be accessed through massage, manipulation, stretching, etc. The concept of SEN in Thai is a generic term to indicate any kind of path or thread, string, passage, a direction one takes, which joins two points. It doesn't necessarily mean a subtle energetic tube or channel or any one particular kind of physical structure. What is important is that the SEN are things through which a property of movement flows. And it is that movement which is the key to understanding the thinking behind what SEN are. They transmit movement, which is essential for life. The ancient texts describe the SEN in the following way. They are blood vessel, nerves, ligaments, and tendons. Blood vessel, nerves, ligaments, and tendons. And they are to be found in the places between tissue, which is usually muscle, and bone. This is very clear and very different to what is normally taught in most schools. And yet, it is perhaps the most authentic understanding of SEN. Simply, it has not been available to most people until recently. People who have studied Thai massage have been taught about line 1, line 2, line 3, inner line 1 between the bicep muscle and the humerus, inner line 2 between the triceps and the humerus. These are the ways in which one can get closer to the SEN. They are like valleys between large, gross anatomical structures, and the SEN are found like rivers lying along the valley floor. Quite often when we are working, thumbing the lines, we are cleaning the valley, making sure that the space and the various elements around the SEN are clear and not obstructing or compressing the SEN or creating any kind of congestion. So if we look at the SEN in terms of what a blood vessel is carrying oxygen, without which there can be no movement or no life. Nerves are carrying electrochemical signals, which are fundamental for contraction of muscles and feeling. Tendons connect muscles to bone. The muscle contracts, but if it's not connected, then there's no motion of the body. Ligaments hold the bones together. Also, without the ligaments, there can be no motion of the body. The purpose of the massage therapist is to identify, locate obstructions in movement, in the movement of blood or nerve or lymph or any other things that should be moving around the body, or to balance that movement so that correct and natural flow can be maintained or returned. Some of these SEN are what I call the invisible SEN, which are still physical things, but they're due to the movement of hormones or peptides or chemicals in the body, which are more complicated and more subtle. But that is also a SEN. So to recap, according to traditional orthodox Lanna medicine, we have the 10 subtle energies, which are accessed through meditation, visualization, breathing, and those are the ones which most people are familiar. They are not the province of massage. And we have the very numerous SEN, which are nerve, blood vessels, capillaries, veins, tendons, ligaments, all of which are responsible to move the body. And we have the chemical and hormonal movements, passages, pathways flowing around inside our body at the same time. Thank you.